Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Aditya Khalil Laksono. You can call me Karel. I live in Bekasi and I am a final year student majoring in mechanical engineering with a concentration in manufacturing and material engineering at Pennsylvania University. In this presentation, I will present about making microparticle from bamboo, and this research focus on development of sustainability and renewable material. On this research background, bamboo has the rich diversity in Asia. There are around 5 genera and 900 species, or around 75% of the total species in the world. In India has 102 species and Japan has 84 species. In the Indonesia have about 10 million hectometer. Bamboo have found in Indonesia has around 176 species belonging to 24 genera. There are 60 to 70 types of bamboo, of which there are unique characteristic of Indonesia that do not exist in other country. It is estimated that half of the types of bamboo in Indonesia are endemic. Indonesia bamboo is spread across various islands, including the island of Java, which is estimated to have 60 types of bamboo plant, of which 99 types are endemic. In this graph, the following map data on distribution of bamboo trees in city and district of West Java. From this data, the large bamboo produced are from Sukabumi district and Kuningan district. In this research, I made microparticle from bamboo using a type of black bamboo of the genus Gigantoloa atrophiolacea, which is a type of bamboo which has a characteristic dark stem color, almost black, and black bamboo is environmental friendly choice. Its rapid growth and ability to regrow once harvest makes it sustainability natural resource. Black bamboo has long, slender, and hard stem. Black bamboo can grow to 20 meters. Basically, bamboo has a higher compressive strength than wood, brick, and or concrete, and has tensile strength. In this influenced by presence of chemical compounds such as carbohydrate elements, namely cellulosa and hemicellulose, non-carbohydrate element, namely lignin, and extractive substance, namely element deposited by wood, the grow process. The structural chemical composition consists of lignin, hemicellulose, and cellulose. In this method, this research process use top and down method. Top and down method is the process of grinding large material until it becomes small. The process is use this method in is cutting black bamboo stick into 4 parts and peeling the skin of bamboo to remove unused bamboo skin. Then chef using a machine to get bamboo fiber result. After that, dry bamboo for 1 week to remove the water content in the bamboo. Then a blender process to return the fiber bamboo into bamboo powder. The next process is sheathing with wire mesh, which has a mesh size of 300, which is 15 microns, and mesh 400, which is 38 microns. This is done order to get particle size at the output. From the result of this bamboo particle, it can be developed an innovative and renewable product. Same scanning electron microscope testing was carried out to obtain visual of the result of the microparticle that had been made. From the same test result can be seen in the following image. From the same test image, 25,000 magnificent, the image show that the size of the microparticle is perfectly round, oval, and lumpy. And at a magnificent of 25,000, clumping or agglomeration can also be seen in the granule of the compound using the particle size to be large. The agglomeration process is the process of joining small particle into large structure. Agglomeration occurs the two mechanical process. Energy dispersion X-ray is testing analytical technique used to analyze chemical element or characteristic in microparticle sample. In this found the component and content of black bamboo microparticle. In this table, the composition and content produce carbon particle, which is 81.6%, and in the energy dispersion X-ray result, there are several elements with small percentage, such as 45% oxygen and 40 nitrogen. As the data can be seen in the image, several peaks, absorption peaks, that appear in the FTIR spectra of microparticle with a mass of 400, so that in the analyzed microparticle with black bamboo, there is more than one type of bond or functional group. In this conclusion, therefore, is hope that this result will make microparticle from bamboo to support the environmental development pillars and economic development pillars of sustainability development goals, in helping implement circular economy, encouraging innovation and sustainability industrial, and ensuring sustainability consumption and production patterns. Enough for my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.